Hi, I am Anand. I stay with you next 5 to 10 minutes. I shall discuss in details about sign convention for reflection by spherical mirrors. Let us consider about this figure. M, P, N represent a concave mirror. X, P, X dash represent the principal axis of this concave mirror. While dealing with the reflection of light by a spherical mirror, we shall follow a set of sign convention called the New Cartesian sign convention. In this convention, the pole P of the mirror is taken as the origin. The principal axis of the mirror is taken as x-axis of the coordinate system. The conventions are as follow. Let's see here. The pole P of the mirror taken as the origin. Here is the P, and P represent the pole of the mirror and taken as the origin. The principal axis of the mirror is taken as the x-axis of the coordinate system. It means that this is the total coordinate system. So x, P, x dash taken as the x-axis of the coordinate system. Let us develop the colors. The object is always placed to the left of the mirror. This implies that the light from the object falls on the mirror from the left hand side. So object is always placed to the left of the mirror. All distances parallel to the principal axis are measured from the pole of the mirror. So all distances are measured from the pole of the mirror, or all distances are measured from the P. Let's see. The object is always placed to the left of the mirror. This implies that light from the object falls on the mirror from the left hand side. It means that we placed object in P x dash. This is the left hand side and this P x is the right hand side. So the position of the object is on the principal axis and in the left hand side. Let's develop the colors. All distances parallel to the principal axis. All distances parallel to the principal axis are measured from the pole of the mirror. So all distances parallel to the principal axis are measured from the pole of the mirror. Let's see. All distances parallel to the principal axis are measured from the pole of the mirror. So distances are measured from the pole of the mirror. All distances measured to the right of the origin are taken as positive. So right of the origin, it means that px taken as positive, whereas px dash taken as negative. So all the distances measured the right of the origin are taken as positive. So it is very clear. If any object on any image placed in the right hand side, then the image distance will be positive. So object is always placed in the left hand side. Therefore in that case object distance is always negative. Object distance is always negative, but according to the position of the object, image distance will be either positive or negative. Let's see. So all the distances measured to the left of the origin are taken as negative. It means that p x dash represent the negative or left of the origin and p represent the origin. So this distance will be negative and this distance will be positive. Let's see. Distances measured perpendicular to and above the perpendicular axis are taken as positive. It means that this is the x-axis and this is the above of the x-axis or the perpendicular distance. X-axis are taken as positive. It means that this distance will be positive, whereas this distance will be negative. Let's see. Distances measured perpendicular to the below the principal axis are taken as negative. This is the below distance, so this is negative. These sign conventions are applied to obtain the mirror formula and solve related numerical problem. So this is the simple story of the new Cartesian sign convention. Once again I repeat, this is a concave mirror. Pole of the concave mirror or pole of the spherical mirror, it is a kind of a spherical mirror. Here we consider about the sign convention for reflection by a spherical mirror. So pole of the spherical mirror is known as or taken as the origin. Right distance from the pole of the mirror are taken as positive. Left distance from the pole of the mirror are taken as negative. Above perpendicular distance are taken as positive. Below perpendicular distance are taken as negative. So these are the most important point in the new Cartesian sign convention. Left hand side negative, always object always placed in the left hand side of the mirror, and image distance will be either positive or negative, that is depend upon the position of the object. So these are the most important point. Pole of the mirror origin, right hand side of the origin positive, left hand side of the origin negative. We placed object in the left hand side of the origin. The position of the image will be either left hand side or right hand side. In case of left hand side, the image distance will be negative, but in case of right hand side, image distance will be positive. In the left hand side, we get the real image, so the height of the image will be negative in case of real image. But in case of virtual image, image distance will be positive. So this is the simple story of the new Cartesian sign convention, and these sign conventions are applied to obtain the mirror formula and solve related numerical problem. Have you any problem to understand the explanation or details of this one? Then write into the comment box. I shall try to resolve your problem. Whereas all details are available in the description. Thanks to watch. Once again I thanks to all of you to stay with me. I have 8 or 9 minutes in the next video lecture related to the mirror formula and magnification. Till then, thanks to all of you.